Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Miss Toto. So today, guess what we are doing? Yes, you guessed it, passion twist. Yes, this is the rubber band method. I'm just showing you guys the sections and the ponytails in which I put them in. I believe she had about 45 twists in all. So I already sectioned it off and put everything in a ponytail, and I'm just showing you guys how I do this. This is no secret, no surprise, because I've done a couple videos on passion twist on my channel. So if you guys haven't seen those, go ahead and check them out. This is just me just showing you guys on another view of how I do these. So pretty much rubber band first, of course, and then I just take the crochet hook and I crochet the hair through, not the full strand of hair. I just pull one side through to make a knot to cover the rubber band, and then I add the gel to the hair and I start to twist down. And I use the same gel, the same edge gel for everybody's hair because it just works, y'all. It just works. Like I always say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, because yeah. So I re-upped on this gel. It's called Nappy Roots or something like that. I've shown it plenty of times in my videos, but I'll go ahead and put it in the description box so you guys can get the full description of what it is. I got that from my local beauty supply store, black owned actually. It's called Roots and Edges, very clever. But yeah, this is just a close-up of how I do these. So as you can see, I pull the hair through the loop, one strand, and then I pull it tight to make a knot, and it automatically covers that rubber band, so it's very concealed. I don't tighten the rubber band until I pull the hair through, so that way I'm not completely putting a lot of tension on her hair. I'm just, because of the crochet hair is already blocking the rubber band, I just pull it tight enough to cover and conceal that rubber band. So yeah, I usually two-strand twist all the way down, like rope twist, Senegalese twist, whatever you want to call it, all the way down until I reach the end of the customer's hair, and then I just do a regular twist. I don't do the rope twist once I pass the hair. And this is what they call the pull-up method, like, so you can get that really crinkly effect at the end. So I just regular two-strand twist, and then I start to pull up like every other one or whatever, however many times you want to do it, but it can just give you that really nice curly wavy effect at the end. So I'm going to show you guys a few more clips as to how I do this. This is me showing you guys I just separate the hair just to give it that more fluffy, not defined look. And I use two strands per twist, per ponytail, however you want to say it. I use two strands. So yeah, this is how I do this hairstyle. It's very simple. It was so many distractions this day, and it just made me so mad because it took me longer than I expected. It took me about 5 hours, and in all honesty, this hairstyle should have taken me at least 4, maybe 3.5, but it was so many distractions, y'all, no joke. I was just like, oh my god, I need to be done with these already. But I was flying through these, like, for real. It didn't take me that long. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just adding the gel as I go wherever is needed, and then I'm two-strand twisting all the way down till I get to the end of the customer's hair, which is my cousin, because she's the only head that I really do. I two-strand twist all the way down to the end of her hair, and then I just regular two-strand twist after I pass her hair. So guys, yeah, this is how I do this hairstyle. The crazy part about this is that I did this hairstyle on myself, and for some reason I didn't like it. Like, I did it, it's probably been almost a year that I've done this hairstyle, and I did not like the passion twists. They were heavy and everything, so I don't know what happened, why it happened, but I was just like, forget this. So I took it down literally like 4 or 5 days later, because I was like, this is not it. So I think because I perfected the hairstyle now, that I would actually give it a try on my own head. I do like the look. I like the efficiency of doing this hairstyle, and yeah, so I may just give it another try on my own head. I done it on my daughter's hair and everything, and they look really nice, so I might just give it a try. So look how pretty these are, y'all. It's so uniform and messy at the same time. I love it. And just give you that really boho type of feel and look at the same time. So this is pretty much the video, just me showing you guys how I do this hairstyle. It's very simple, very easy. You don't have to be a braider or even a twister for that matter. I know some people just regular 2-strand twist all the way down, but for me, in my comfort zone, I like to do the rope twist method with the client's hair first, as far as braiding down until I reach the end of their hair, and then regular 2-strand twisting. And the reason why I like doing that is because it looks more sleek that way. You won't have to worry about hairs coming out, and it makes the hair blend better with the synthetic hair, because this hair is like has a shiny type of look and texture, so you have to be able to blend the hair. So if her hair wasn't, if she actually didn't get black hair and it was colored hair, then you will definitely have to do the rope twist in order to give it some type of neat looking hairstyle, and it won't be raggedy too quick. So yeah, just be careful and cautious of that. So yeah, that is the end of this video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and share this video. Go ahead and comment. If you have any questions as to how to do this hairstyle, just let me know. But like I said, I have so many other videos of me doing passion twists. I've done them many of ways, different techniques. They're all different, honestly. All of the passion twist video I have done on my channel are all different, so it's whatever to your liking how you actually want to do this hairstyle. But I love it. Like I said, I love how quick it is and everything, and it gives you such a pretty look. It gives you such a natural look. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then coming up is going to I believe I'm going to be at the front of her hair, and then after that is going to be the final result of her hair. And she's such a beautiful person, like inside and out. So I always enjoy doing her hair because her spirit is just like, it's so calming, so peaceful, so like loving. So whenever I do her hair, it's just, yeah, it's a pleasure. And for her to be like beautiful at the same time, it's a double pleasure. So yeah, she always enjoys me recording her. Never an issue, never a problem. So yeah, when she gets in my chair, it's on. So anyway, like I said before, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I think I said that like 3 times. And you guys go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video, and I will check you guys in my next video. And peace, love, and hair grease. All right, bye.